In this video we are going to talk about the best pulse oximeter in this year, which is Masimo MightySat Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Clinically proven technology, powered by Masimo SET, the same revolutionary technology used by 9 out of 10 top US hospitals and trusted by doctors and athletes. Measures 5 key health parameters, including blood oxygen, pulse rate, respiration rate, RRP, and pleth variability index, PVI. Accurate when others fail, when in motion, when hands are cold, in direct sunlight, across all skin pigments. Track and trend data seamlessly. Track health data on your smartphone with wireless Bluetooth that seamlessly transfers data onto a free downloadable mobile app. Easily share your records with family or doctors. Designed for comfort and ease of use, lightweight for portability, comfortable fit so the finger sits close to the sensor, rotational OLED screen so that it is easy to read, and durable with a long battery life. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.